Hello my friends. After I finished the outside thermal insulation, I painted the walls and added some tiles on the concrete platform, which help against water infiltration. You can see in the photos of this video all the phases of the work process, including the materials I bought. Also, I must continue with the plan for this year that I presented to you in my first video of 2021. So I need to add a stove inside Amidado and library, to buy new doors and windows for the library and accommodation place. I need to build a gate, add water in the whole courtyard of Amida G, buy firewood for winter, pay some taxes, and many other things that are too many to mention. So, if you wish to help me, please donate by using the information in the description. You can use PayPal or other methods like bank accounts, Revolut, and so on. Any small help is very much appreciated and also very much needed. The names of donors and/or people in whose name a donation is given will be mentioned in the dedication list of my books and my video teachings. Thank you very much, and I hope to be able to show you new updates soon. Namo Amidabu.